Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Diamond music system that I have upgraded for my car. So this is a 1-year ownership review. It is having 2 GB RAM of RAM and 64 GB of storage, internal storage, and you can also put pen drive to upgrade it. And to talk about more about it, let me show you the music system first. So music system that I was talking about, so it's having two buttons here, buttons or controls I would say. The left one is to control the volume, the right one is to change the song, and you can also mute the song or pause the song. The right one will pause the song and the left one will mute the song or a video. And then you have a few more controls here inside the screen. You can click this to turn off the music system. If you touch back the display, it will turn back on. If you want to use the FM, you can use this option. This is the FM option. This will be showing the time. This will be showing what the date is today. And once we go to the menu, it will be showing you what all options it's having. Since it's an Android unit, you can install Hotstar videos. You can install Geo Music, Netflix, anything. And you also have Play Store here in case if you want to update all your apps. And let's go to the settings. In settings, it's having normal like Android options. In case if you want to update the Wi-Fi, you can update it by going here. And you also have a notifications option. In notification, it will be showing the Wi-Fi, hotspot, memory clean. So this one will be used for Android Auto. And you can also go to car settings, and you can adjust the reverse modes. It's having a lot of other options, guys. Car amplifier, navigation software, brightness, radio region, system info, and all that. In case if you want to update the update or change the style of the music, you have to click on the DSP option and go to scene. Currently it's in rock. You can change it to popular, jazz, classical. I personally prefer the rock option since it's having a good effect to the song. There's one more option in this. If you go to the sound field, you can turn on, since if you have an amplifier in your car, you can turn it on. The amplifier will be amplifier and the subwoofer will work together and increase the sound effect, I would say. I don't listen to high volume of music. I prefer silent music and classical and rock. I don't want extra any effect. Since it's this car is this is a top end model, it's having tweeters, 4 subwoofers, and 4 more speakers, extra speakers. So the speakers are from the stock. I didn't upgrade any speakers in this. The tweeters are here on 4 doors. And let me show you a few more features what's this having. We have an option here, tick option. You can play videos directly in the dashboard. You can play YouTube videos, and if you have any videos in your pen drive, you can connect your pen drive inside this box. You have a wire connected here. So you will be having an option, can you upgrade this for your car? Since this car is having a big dashboard, it got perfectly fitted, and they had to change the frame for it. And to fix this, it took about more than 2 hours, guys, let me tell you that. And since this car is having an amplifier below the passenger seat, they had to get the connectors for this to make the steering controls work. In steering controls, you have the mute option, you have the volume controls, you have the option to change the songs and all that. I hope this video was helpful. If you prefer upgrading your Skoda to your Android unit, and if you don't like the stock music system, which is buttons, you can go for it. I really prefer this option actually, because it's having maps, it's having the option to play any videos while driving. It will be showing your car as a new car. Thank you for your video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.